Chris here from the Nulon garage, and today we're going to show you a few simple ways to test for a faulty head gasket and a possible repair using Nulon permanent head gasket repair.
Head gaskets are designed as the weak point in sealing an engine block to the head. Excessive heat due to a non-functioning cooling system is the most common cause of failure, while increasing power or bad tuning can do the same. This Nissan X-TRAIL was presented to the local mechanic with coolant loss. There are several ways to test a head gasket, and with the right tools, you can quickly identify a faulty or blown head gasket, which Steve and the team got to work on. One test is to pressurize the cooling system, and if the head gasket is leaking into the cylinders, you will find water inside the cylinder and/or on the spark plug. As you can see, this car is presenting all of the classic signs of a faulty or blown head gasket. So it's a perfect chance for us to show you how well Nulon permanent head gasket repair works in a real-world situation. Before you get started, you need to ensure the radiator is cool before opening the cap, and you also want to make sure there is enough fluid in the radiator core to ensure you get the correct ratio of fibre to coolant. Step 1. Shake the contents of the bottle and pour into the radiator. You want to make sure there is enough volume in your header tank to take 750 ml. In a smaller car, you might find that you only use half a bottle at a time to prevent overflow. Top up the radiator and overflow to the correct level and replace the radiator cap. Step 3. Start your engine and turn the heater on to hot and fan on high to circulate the coolant. Step 4. Let the vehicle run for 15 minutes, keeping an eye on it to make sure it isn't overheating. Step 5. Turn off the engine and allow it to cool. Step 6. Check the coolant levels and top up as needed, and then finally, drive the vehicle to test the operation has been a success. Nulon permanent head gasket repair is the only stop leak product on the market to come with a money-back guarantee. The DuPont Kevlar fibers combined with the liquid resin technology works fast to seek out small leaks and cracks that cause coolant loss of pressure and overheating to create a permanent, long-lasting, watertight seal. The high-tech formulation is free of ceramic and metallic fibers, so it can safely be used with all types of cooling systems. So, if you have coolant loss or overheating issues with your vehicle, grab a bottle of Nulon permanent head gasket repair from your local auto parts store today, and you could save yourself on costly mechanical repairs.